Okay, you have to go through from Cincinnati to California. I'll show you how is the airport and everything that you have to know in order to travel safely without wasting time. Alright, so when you're here in Cincinnati, in the airport, you have to go to any state. So first of all, you go to one of those places on the left. If you go to Delta, through Delta or American Airlines, and then after that, you have to go here where you have the departures gate. It will give you the paperwork, the pass, and you will have to be in line. No cell phone, no knife, no guns or drinks or anything like that. Just bare minimum. So we are in the other side. Now we have to take the train, A or B, 3A, 32A, and that's it. Otherwise, you have to walk for a very long time. So this is B5, as you can see here. So that is where I have to go. Gate B5, so straight, and that's it. So basically, when you leave the train, it will tell you what airline, and then you have the monitors for everything. Now going up. Alright, something crazy. I saw this library. So basically here, you can drop the book that you don't want anymore. And then here you have all the shelves, and then you can get the book for free. So that is cool. That's something I didn't see before. Alright, as you can see, here we are. We have to go to Los Angeles and late as usual. This is like this place is run by Mexicans, or what's going on? Why are they late? Alright, as you can see, we have to go to the back lane. I have to pick up the car. And then this is the waiting. So basically you have a long haul. As you can see over there, just I came out from the airplane. And then once I grab my bag, I can go pick up the car and go to the class that I have. This place, as you can see, very nice. In a few hours, I was able to travel across the whole country safely. All you have to do in that end, there is a few monitors, so you have to grab the paper that you have. There it will tell you where do I have to go. So in this case it says 23, so I have to wait until I see my bag, grab it, and then go to pick up the car rental. Alright, so as you can see, that is the company I'm taking right now. And now I am in the bus waiting to arrive to the place, and then I'll grab the car and go to the next stop. This is the type of bus that you're going to see outside of the, and that is what you have to get, and you will come to a store like this, and then you grab your car. It can be a BMW or something else. So now there is a wait time. I don't have my car ready. It's incredible, but that is the way it is. So I just got out of the bus, the orange one, as you can see. So now it's everything the same way, but going backwards, going back home now. Before you get in, before they scan you and everything, they don't allow you to take water with you. So no water, I think no food, no anything. But the crazy thing is, after they scan you, you have businesses. So you can buy water, you can buy food, you can buy anything and go to the airplane without any issue. So this is a dirty business that they have here, that they, for the business that you have inside. So basically they don't allow you to take anything. So that is one of the things. So that is why you see people, drinking and everything before they get in. Otherwise they cannot get inside. So this is crazy. All right, as you can see, this is before you get in. This is security. You have to put your ID. They will scan your face, all your things, and that's it. And then after this, you can go to the other side. Right, so as you can see, I have the boarding pass. And if you don't see the gate for some reason, here you have to take a look at the monitor. And here we have Cincinnati. It says 23A. So that is where I have to go. So basically, I have to see the signs and follow the instructions. Right. As you can see, after you have been walking for quite a while, here we are at the right gate. And ready to go to Cincinnati. Alright, so here, as you can see, we have the zone. So as you can see, we have zone 7. So all you have to do is see the zone on the monitor and wait for your turn. So usually what I do is I wait sitting. Meanwhile, people, they wait in line. I can be the last one, it doesn't matter. And then I don't have to be, waiting there until everyone is inside. So I do this and it works great. So that is the only thing that you have to keep in mind when you are waiting to get inside of the airplane. Alright, so I just came out of the airplane and they told me I have to go carousel number 1 to pick up the luggage. Alright, so now we have to go straight where it says bag claims luggage. So I think I have to go. Alright, so as you can see, number 1, they told me where I have my luggage. So I have to see if I can find it. Then after that, I can go pick up my car and go back home. Right, this is the exit. So once you get out, you cannot get in again.